Okay, here's a Mark II Toolbox, empty. It's the metal version. It's nice and straight up the top, no dings, no dents. As I said, it's empty. Somebody must have, this is not original, but somebody done quite a nice job putting the foam back on the inside, and that's the bottom of it. Very often the woodwork is broken. Obviously it had something glued on here, probably also felt or foam. Anyway, all good. The little catch sort of works, needs a bit of adjustment. It's got a screw there, so you can just bring it up a little bit or bend it out or something. Anyway, that's the one. Okay.